Thank you for buying your new Woom bike from the Little Bike Company. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your new bike. First, let's get the bike and the bits and pieces out of the box. All the tools you need are in the small box, apart from scissors and a Phillips screwdriver. Now we'll unwrap the bike and get it ready for assembly. Let's put the handlebars on. Now we can get rid of the rest of the packaging. You don't have to do it this quickly. Note the pedals have to be tightened in the direction of travel of the bike. The saddle should be set at the correct height for the rider. If the seat needs to be all the way down for your child, leave the rear reflector off for the moment. You can install it when they have grown a bit and need the saddle raised. Now we can fit the front reflector and bell on the handlebar. If you bought a Woom, Vienna or Bing bell as part of your order, it fits differently, and we will show you how shortly. If you have any problems or questions, please do get in touch. We'll be happy to help. We hope your child has lots of fun on their new bike.